Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Finally, this is happening. The most popular upcoming Samsung Galaxy A57 leak reveals powerful upgrades. According to the latest available data, the most exciting Samsung Galaxy A57 model number reportedly surfaces on the company's test server. Coming up in this video, Galaxy A57's latest updates, smartphone characteristics, and launching details. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. As per the new reports, Samsung is preparing a new mid-range smartphone, the Galaxy A57, a successor to the popular Galaxy A56. According to a recent post on the microblogging platform by user Akhilesh Kumar, a new model in Samsung's A series has appeared on a Samsung internal test server, under the designation number A57B. This model number suggests it is the next generation device, after the widely available Galaxy A56 smartphone. Specifically, it points to the upcoming Samsung Galaxy A57. The A prefix indicates it belongs to the A series, while the 576 sequence suggests it comes after the A56. The trailing B might denote an international or specific regional variant. It appears Samsung is already working on a new member of its mainstream lineup, the Galaxy A57. The Galaxy A57, A576B, has been spotted on the company's internal test server. The models have the numbers, as you can see in the video. As for the smartphone characteristics, the Samsung A57 is tipped to be powered by Samsung's own Exynos 1680 chipset. The full specifications of the Galaxy A57 are still under wraps, but it is expected to arrive with some upgrades over the Galaxy A56, which features a 6.7-inch AMOLED display, Exynos 1580 chipset, and a 50-megapixel main camera. The Galaxy A57 was spotted on the popular Geekbench platform. One of the most important details was the new Exynos system on chip, S5E8865, likely the Exynos 1680 chipset, that already been confirmed. Also expected is an AMOLED display, with a 120Hz refresh rate, a battery with a capacity of about 5000 mAh, and support for fast charging with a power of up to 45 watts. The appearance of the Galaxy A57 in test databases indirectly suggests that the official premiere may take place in the coming months. It's worth adding that almost all 2026 Galaxy A series models have become Samsung's best sellers. While final specifications, design, and pricing are yet to be officially confirmed by Samsung, the market now has an early glimpse of what could be a significant release in the brand's lineup. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.